search of change, on a quest. From politics to rebellion put to the test. CULT rises, a haven for the oppressed. Pandemic looms, chaos suns, but humanity's fear, obedience bonds. CULT emerges, a radical thought, to ignite the fire that can be caught. In the grip of mental despair, a call to awaken, the system to dare. CULT whispers we hear, a catalyst for change, a revolution to declare. CULT, a token, liquid and true. Decentralized power is born anew. Against oppression it stands to construe. The guardians and many a courageous crew. The burn of tokens and deflation they dance. CULT Dallas promise a global advance. Decentralized venture capitalism a chance for a borderless society and new romance. So let the words of the manifesto ring in the symphony of change. Let freedom sing. CULT down with decentralized wings. A revolution begins as the old systems swing.